Hello everyone, welcome to Modern Parenting. So today I came up with this new product. It is called Supermom Milled Baby Wipes, and it is from the company Pharmaceuticals. This packet consists of 80 baby wipes. This is alcohol free, soap free, and it is enriched with baby lotion, and these wipes are pH balanced. So all the instructions are properly given here, and also the ingredients and some cautions. We has high level of moisturizer which keeps the baby skin very soft, and the moisture in the baby wipes remains till the end of this packet. Like if one wipe is also left in this packet, it will be very soft, very moisturized. It will not be dry. Another thing is this baby wipes is dermatologically tested. It is soap, paraben and alcohol free. So when we are buying baby products, we always look for products which does not have soap, alcohol or paraben. Another thing is it has got some fragrance. We will talk about it later. This is also microbiologically tested and hypoallergenic, so this will not cause allergies to the baby skin. The price of this packet is 210 taka, and per piece baby wipes cost 2.6 taka. They have given some cautions, such as baby cannot swallow or put this wipe in their mouth. It has to be kept away from the baby's eyes and mouth, and if it goes inside the baby's eyes, it needs to be cleaned with water immediately, and if any irritation occurs, we need to consult with the doctors immediately. Another thing is you cannot keep the lid open. If you keep the lid open, this will dry out, so these wet wipes will not remain wet anymore. So now I will talk about some of the ingredients and my review about this product. Most of the ingredients in this baby wipes are safe, such as baby lotion, aqua, acetylpyridinium chloride, glycerol, aloe and citric acid. These are safe for the babies, but some of the ingredients in these baby wipes are very controversial, such as the bronopol and propylene glycol. This, and also fragrance. We try to avoid fragrance in baby products because this can, sometimes perfumes and fragrances in baby products can cause baby allergy, skin irritation, any other problem. And bronopol is used as a preservative, and if used for too long, then it can cause some skin irritation or respiratory problems, and as well as propylene glycol. This is also very controversial. If used for a very long time, it can cause skin irritation or respiratory problems and many other problems. So these three ingredients are a bit controversial. So it would have been better if they avoided these three ingredients in this product. Another thing is the price of this product is a little bit too much. Per piece it costs 2.6 taka, and if it was 1.5 to 1.8 taka per piece, it would have been better. Now I would like to tell you that this baby wipes is very soft, and it has got a cottony texture, and also the smell is very refreshing. Even though we should avoid fragrances in baby products, but the fragrance in this wet wipes is refreshing and seems to be very mild. It has got a very cold feel when you touch it, and forms foam when you squeeze it. Also, it does not produce too much of water when you squeeze it. This is very good. I like the smell as well, and if you use it on the baby, it cleanses the baby's face and baby's dirt. It cleanses the baby's skin area, which is dirty pretty well. They have suggested that you can use it on the baby's whole body. You can use it on their face, hands, feet, everywhere, even their bum area. So you can use it on every part of the baby's face or baby's body, except the eyes and the mouth area. So try to avoid these two areas. Like this product, but I wouldn't recommend it if you use it for a very short time, then it is okay, but I wouldn't recommend parents to use it for a very long time, because it has got some controversial ingredients in it which needs to be avoided if used for a prolonged period. And also the price is a bit too much. If you like my review, please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.